Friends, in this summer, let me show you my new OmniBreeze fan, tower fan. It comes practically with okay. Okay, this is the base. Let me see. Put it together. Okay, here it is. As you can see, okay, ready, and put it like this, and then put this again. Perfect. You get the remote control, okay? It has this plastic protection for the battery. Get it off. And okay. So you can turn it on and off, of course. That's it. It will tell you the room temperature. It says that we are at 78 Fahrenheit degrees. Okay, you can change the speed. Okay, you can have it turning around, moving around, so the air will get in different places of the room, you see, or steady in just one direction. Okay, you can have it at a sleep time, so if you want it to be off in a few hours, that's regular use, that's kind of eco mode, and that's the night timer. Okay, if you don't want, you see how it sounds every time we click a button. If you don't want that you put this mute, and buttons won't sound. So if you're sleeping or your partner is sleeping or whatever, you don't want that sound. And in the auto mode, it will work without stop, and here it's the timer function, so you can tell it 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, basically your full night sleep time. So whenever you get the age, it means that it's working for a few hours, no sound in the buttons, and 78 degrees in the room. Okay, so that's basically the function of our tower fan. Great for this summer season. Okay, really recommend it.